Hello friends! While many altcoins are struggling and trying to grow by at least 50%, Injective token has probably already started a bull run and has gained more than 10x. Like, should we buy it now or better wait and enter after the correction? Let's figure it out today, it will be interesting. As usually, hit a like, subscribe to the channel, also subscribe to my Telegram channel if you want to be updated, and let's get started. So want to start with the fact that Injective has become the first L1 solution on the Cosmos blockchain, which is focused on the DeFi sector. It can offer a fully decentralized order book infrastructure. This function allows developers to use the network's liquidity and launch different decentralized exchanges. So in 2018, Eric Chen and Albert Chon founded Injective Labs. Since then, the project has attracted around 200 million in funding rounds. In 2021, the Injective blockchain was launched, and the latest and largest round of financing took place in January 2023. The investments amounted to 150 million with the participation of funds such as Binance Labs, Jump Crypto, and Pantera Capital. Currently, there are many decentralized exchanges built on Injective. The list includes Picasso Exchange, MarsX, and Helix. Usually DEXs suffer from insider trading problems, also called front-running. However, due to the fast generation and confirmation of blocks, Injective partially solves this problem. Another difference is the order of execution. Any new action is a transaction and does not occur immediately. Instead, the deal is added to the mempool and is completed after the block is finalized. And strangely enough, this is not a problem, because due to the nature of the blockchain, users are guaranteed fair execution of all requests. Injective has its hub, which acts as a dashboard and provides users with opportunities for the most efficient use of the protocol through Injective Hub. You can also stake Injective tokens to become an active network validator or delegate your coins to other validators. INJ is the native token of the Injective blockchain and is used to govern participation in network liquidity, provision, auctions, and staking. The initial supply of INJ is 100 million tokens, which will gradually increase due to rewards and block generations. It is planned that the target inflation will be 7%, but it will decrease to 2% over time. And as the Injective ecosystem develops, new projects will contribute to the burning of tokens, and the total supply of Injective may become lower than the original one. This anomaly can occur due to the deflationary well-designed business model, so 60% of the trading fees are subject to reverse auctions and further burning. It is important to note that the Injective token will be used as an alternative to stablecoins and margin for derivative market liquidity provision. Injective started trading in October 2020 at around 18 cents, and it was able to grow up to $25. This pump gave investors more than 130x. And what does this mean? Injective is running ahead of the planet and the project has already started a bull market. So let's figure out what caused such a pump. And in the meantime, I ask you to kindly support my channel with your like and your subscription. I would be very grateful. So since the beginning of 2023, the Injective token has grown more than 13 times, which is a colossal result for a bear market. And in this situation, there is no need to search for the reason for the growth of this asset. It's all very simple. After injecting liquidity in the form of $150 million, the token showed growth, and currently the project's market capitalization fluctuates around $1 billion. In April 2023, the Injective project entered into a significant long-term partnership with Tencent Cloud. According to the company's press release, it will provide its products and cloud services related to Web3. Thus, the Injective ecosystem has expanded in a partnership with a real Chinese tech giant. Is it an upward trend, or is it a new bubble that is better not to jump into? By the way, guys, a short advertisement, please do not skip, maybe you'll find it useful. I'm personally using Tangem wallet for holding any crypto in general. It is a self-custodial hardware wallet that gives you absolute control of your private keys. It has been audited by Kudelski Security, an independent Swiss audit company. The chip has the highest certification level EAL 6+, which guarantees the high level of security of your assets. You can find the report on the official Tangem's website, everything is transparent. And unlike other wallets, Tangem comes with 3 cards, and what I personally like is that it is shaped like a card. card. Looks like a traditional bank credit card, and it can fit anywhere, can be taken anywhere, and these cards are used for generating and storing your private keys instead of a recovery seed phrase. The wallet supports over 6,000 different crypto assets across 37 networks. You can also access decentralized applications, and through the secure Wallet Connect protocol, the mobile app also allows you to trade on exchanges, buy NFTs, and stake your assets. It is absolutely easy to set up and easy to use. And for the pack of 3 Tangem cards, 1 wallet. I really do recommend you to have 3 because it has a higher level of security. It will cost you around $70. This makes it one of the most affordable hardware wallets when compared to options like Trezor models, for example, Ledger or others. And if you use promo code ALL4MEN, you will get additional 10% discount. So please go ahead and explore the website for yourselves. If you're looking for a good quality wallet to store your crypto, I do suggest Tangem. The link you can find in the description. Thank you for watching, and let's continue. The Injective blockchain ecosystem includes numerous major projects, including various wallets, starting from MetaMask and ending with Ledger. It also includes the decentralized exchange Helix, which has already competed with such giants as Dydex and GMX. The Injective Protocol project already acts as a cross-chain bridge between the most enormous blockchains such as Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana. And despite the quite significant size of the ecosystem, the average transaction cost in the network is less than 1 cent. Unlike many blockchains, Injective can boast high performance and transaction speed. It should be emphasized that it takes less than 1 second to create a new block. There is a lot more to tell about the Injective protocol. But now I want to look at the number of developers working on the project. The numbers are not very encouraging at the moment. There are only around 10 permanent developers engaged in the Injective network. For comparison, the perpetually declining blockchain called Internet Computer, which I have made a video about, has 125 permanent developers involved. The TVL of the Injective protocol also leaves much to be desired, with only around 16 million locked. But due to the fact that in January of 2024, the last round of token unlocking will take place, which will significantly reduce the pressure on the price. So what future scenarios do I see for the development of the INJ token price? Make sure you hit a like and subscribe to the channel, because now we're moving to the most important part, tokenomics. The current growing trend of the Injective token is gradually subsiding. Could this be a slight correction after which the asset will continue its growth, or will the dump be much more significant than it seems? To understand where the price is heading, as I just said, we will be referring to the tokenomics. So the available token supply was distributed as follows. 6% were allocated for seed sale. Binance received 9%, community has 10%, 16.5% were allocated to private sales, 20% to the team, and 36% for the ecosystem. Now let's see how many Axis early investors currently hold. And it's from 42 to 200 Axis approximately, which is a lot. Just nothing else to add. The question is, will those funds and investors cash out at least a portion of their volume? Definitely yes, in my opinion. Don't forget that it's not financial advice, I just share my personal thoughts. Currently the asset looks extremely overheated, and what I would definitely do is refrain from buying and just observe Injective, searching for a good entry point. This is because the big player still needs to allocate their profit. And ideally, I see a decline to $3.5 to $2.2 range as the most likely. But at the same time, my goals seem more like nonsense, because it may never get back there, but at least we need to see a 50% correction, ideally more. And if targets are achieved, I consider the transition of the asset to the bullish phase. And in my opinion, Injective token has every chance to surpass its previous high and reach like $60 to $80 range. But only after reaching its bottom, significant capital will quickly buy it out. I also see the cancellation of the bullish scenario if Injective drops below $20 and continues to move sideways. The only thing I can recommend right now is to simply keep an eye on the news. At the moment there are more prospective projects exist that you can pay attention to. Also subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link to which I have already placed under this video. That's it from my side for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope it was useful. See you in the next ones. Thank you.